On behalf of Lion, I'd like to wish everybody watching this broadcast Happy Children's Day.
Don't angry me.
I know some of you be like, I'm a big boy, I'm not a children. Do I know your age? Show more age, meaning.
You are not a children, but you still live in your parents' house. You are not a children, but you still eat their food.
God damn it.
You are not a children, but you still collect money for offering.
Oh my God.
You are not a children, but you still collect allowance money, pocket money. If you still have father or mother, Happy Children's Day.
Okay.
You are not a children, but you still believe India flogged Nigeria 99-0.
You are a woman.
If you don't have team beer like me, you are a children.
The curse like this.
If you call your boyfriend Zaddy after all your real father has done for you, you are a children.
How?
If your girlfriend calls you baby, you are a children. If you cannot recite ordinary national anthem, you are a children. If you believe everything on social media, you are a children.
Yes.
If you are down to earth, Happy Children's Day.
God damn it.
If you fight in comment section, you are a children.
No problem.
If you still don't like watching news,
Hey.
you are a children.
Jesus.
If you still like watching cartoon like me, you are a children.
My nigga.
You are not a children, but you call yourself a child of God. If you cannot cook Nigerian jollof, you are a children.
Go and sit down.
You are not a children, but you still eat cheese balls, you still drink Capri Sun.
I hate you.
I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that we are all children. And for those of you that still suck your girlfriend's breast after all your mother has given you,
This will end today.
Why now?
Happy Infant's Day.
Thunder! Let me complete this thunder.
Bye bye.